Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make 2 minutes chocolate mug cake. It's really easy and I made it a couple times already because it's so easy, and mostly the items you have it on your pantries already. So without further ado, let's begin. So for the first step, it's really easy. You just need to get brown sugars. So if you don't have brown sugar, you can use like the regular sugar, and you will need 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then you will need 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, like this. And you will need 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and you will need 1 egg. Next, you will need vegetable oil or canola oil, 3 tablespoons. Just a little bit like this. Next, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of Nutella, and I'm not gonna mix it, I'm just gonna put it on top. So I just put the Nutella inside, so it will go down automatically, so you don't need to push it inside. So it's all done now, so I just mix it pretty quickly, and it's really easy to find the ingredients on your pantry. And if you're craving something like chocolate cake and you don't have chocolate cake, and you can just make this quickly, like it's only like it's gonna take you like 2 minutes. But of course, don't eat this every day because it's not the healthiest snacks or desserts in the world. If you're really craving for something and it's just something that you're looking to do really quick, so this dessert will be perfect for you. So I'm gonna put it for 1.5 minutes because I tried 1 minute before. It's not as good as if I put it in 1.5 minutes, so I'm gonna do that. Ta-da! It's all done. It looks really yummy. So if you want, you can also put like cookies and cream ice cream like me, so the cake is like melted chocolate cake, like lava cake, and then it's really warm and the ice cream is really cold, so combined together it's really yummy.
Love is like the phases of the moon. And I know baby, let it be. Enjoy the